yet another edition of Time Pass to the New Indian Express. I have with me the lovely Bipasha Basu. We've seen her being goofy, we've seen her being glamorous, she's been sensual, she's been sporty, and she's been with us now for almost 2 decades. Hard to imagine, Bipasha. You still look like you've just begun. So, really, what's the secret of looking so serene?
Oh, just loving life. That's one thing about me that has never changed.
Yeah.
That's a constant. I love every bit of my life. Whatever's happened, the way it's, ups and downs, flowing, and it's always taking me to a better direction. I feel
Right.
I'm just flowing with it and have really enjoyed. So it's nice.
Yeah, I remember the days, Bipasha. We used to call you the Bong Bombshell.
Yes, yes.
We used to have a lot of names for
I,
you.
yeah, absolutely. I was just going to say, I have had really lovely terms of endearment for me from the media, and that's been really, really like I feel very blessed and grateful for that because they were all nice ones.
Yeah. Do you remember some of them? Bong Bombshell for sure, I remember.
Billo Rani was there
Of
all
course.
the time. Billo Rani was like the longest.
Yeah,
Yeah. Um, and my name, Bipasha, nobody used to call me Bips.
yeah,
Bips started with the media.
right, right.
The media which started calling me, and every journalist, everyone started calling me Bips. I was like, I sound like a chewing gum, but it's fine. They're calling me Bips out of love, but so it's nice. Yeah.
Right. Bipasha, you've had such a long career even before movies. I mean, you began as such a young model, and in those days that Godrej supermodel was a huge thing. I remember, and you were but barely 16.
I
Uh,
had not actually, I was 15. I
15?
became 16. Yeah.
Wow,
Yeah, because my birthday is Jan. I won and I became 16. So
wow. So,
December the contest happened and I became 16
do you
next year.
remember that time and how different modeling was in those days? No, I remember talking to Lisa Ray recently, and she was saying that was a different era completely.
Lisa Ray was even before me.
I
So that
know.
was like I used to
Look
look
up
up
to
to,
her.
yeah. And when she did her first music video, Afreen
Afreen,
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 it
I
was like
remember. I think we
wow,
all grew up on that, no?
yeah, she's stunning. What a
Yeah.
beauty she is. Yeah, it's when I'm talking to you, I'm like kind of reliving it. It doesn't seem so distant. It's strange, for me. Even though it's been so much time because it's been I worked so much and
Yeah.
for so long that it still feels like it was just yesterday. It doesn't seem very long back, but it is. It's a lot of time has passed, and yeah, modeling used to be fun for a while, but I did get bored of modeling. That's why I got into acting,
Right.
um, like doing the fashion shows and all the uh, advertorials and the editorials. Used to
Hmm.
be fun.
Hmm. But the designers have more or less remained the same, I think. I mean, you've
There is
had
a
a few.
lot. No, the old ones they are all there,
Right.
but there is a lot of fresh, tremendous talent in India. Like
Right.
huge. Even the fashion industry is also boomed.
Yeah. You're also part of a fashion label. Do you really enjoy fashion and fitness a lot?
Yeah.
Talk a little about how you've made it so much your own. Your style is so different and distinct. And of course, fitness, I think almost a decade ago when it wasn't such a
Absolutely.
sort of, yeah, such a big thing. So talk a little about that.
Well, for me, I think I also was one of like the everyone who's like always takes the body for granted. I
Yeah.
was one of them, and I started acting like that only. I became popular, and it's only during the course of my few years into the acting, I started falling sick all the time
Right.
because I would eat anything on set. I would not. I would be working long hours, not resting enough, and otherwise so young, so always also wanting to go out and spend time with friends post work.
Right.
So basically absolute lack of discipline
Hmm.
in like for health.
Hmm.
Not that I was indisciplined at work was perfect, like
Yeah.
it was all
You
professional
were
and
always on time.
yeah,
Always.
always.
Nobody could ever accuse you of being late.
Today I got a little late because my internet was not connecting.
No,
I
but
was like, why with Kaveri this is happening? Because she knows me. Why am I late?
because I know that you're very, very punctual, and that's a
Yeah.
big thing for you.
Do you know one of my punctual stories was ridiculous?
Tell me.
My second film, Raz.
Yeah.
So they tell me that we are shooting in RK Studios. So it's a 7 o'clock shift.
Right.
So me being me, thinking that RK Studio is really far and I can get
Jaipur, yeah.
traffic.
Yeah.
I don't know. I'm going to leave. I have reached RK Studio for a 7 o'clock shift. The main door, the big door was not open. I had to park the car and sleep in my car for 1 hour. Then the watchman has come. Madam, आप क्यों आए हैं? Van भी नहीं आई है. That was like, then I realized I have to like cut it down a bit. I can't be like sleeping in my car and all now that I'm an actress. So yeah, I slowed down a bit, but always on time. Like it's never really happened that I'm not on time. Yeah, that's something that I really like, being like that.
But fitness came to you as something over the years. You discovered that you needed to sort of take care of
I
your
started
health.
falling sick
Yeah.
because of the unhealthy habits of food. And I used to see my mom. My mom has been an inspiration. She's like mother of three,
Right.
jack of all, does everything herself. But all through her life, she's always taken out self-care time, whether it's for her health or whether it's for her beauty. So she has always taken out that time. And I was like, my mother takes out so much time for herself. Why can't I take out time for myself? I know I'm in a demanding job, but I need to figure this out. That's when I became very strict about the 12-hour work time.
Right.
That, I'm going to be only working 12 hours. Like I reach sharp, in 12 hours you have to leave me, and there has to be a 12-hour turnaround.
Right.
I'm not going to shoot for 2 days in a row. I've done that also. I've shot 72 hours in a row.
For what?
For film.
No, which film do you remember?
For Guna.
God.
I have. So I remember that the kind of shifts I had to put my foot down, that I am going to only do a 12-hour shift with a 12-hour turnaround. And that's that much a human being needs.
Yeah.
You want me to look good. You want me to feel good. You don't want me to fall sick. I'm not a superhuman. I have to invest a little bit in me. So I used to wake up early morning. Then I started little by little, it started with No Entry, 2005.
I love that film.
Yeah. So what happened? Ramesh Taurani and they all want Boni Kapoor. They wanted me to do the role of this Bobby in No Entry.
Yeah.
And they said you have to play a dancer. The moment they said dancer, and I put on a lot of weight. I said, no, dancer means I have to show my midriff and all. I'm too fat. I can't play dancer. You guys are casting the wrong girl. Please let it be. So then it went on for 9 months. They were after me. You have to. So then I said, okay, everyone's putting a lot of pressure. Let me just say yes and let me do this film, because it was a very good setup and the film was hilarious. The role was great. So my journey as Bobby started, and my journey on the treadmill started.
Right.
With wrong shoes, I did not have the right posture to run. I ran so badly that I caused osteoarthritis.
Oh dear.
Of my knees.
Oh really? Oh, that's terrible.
Yeah, it was really bad. Crazy pain. And that's when I realized that I'm doing it all wrong.
Right.
I have to really understand what the body is. So I started my thing with trainers. I started interacting with physiotherapists. And that's when, slowly, when I got control of my handicap, that's osteoarthritis, and slowly I started getting stronger. I realized that if I build muscle, I will actually overcome my knee issues. So I started building. I understood everything, the entire connection of the body. And that's when I said that, it's very important to impart this knowledge out. If I'm in a position to talk about it, why not talk about it? And then came the philosophy of love yourself, which I had learned from my mother. And I actually needed it also in my life that time.
Yeah.
Personally, also, I needed to put myself first. So I started first saying it and then acting on it.
Right.
So it's been, I think I did it for the right reasons. And in the
Yeah.
course, I also learned a lot.
Because
So,
also, I think from a very young age, you've been in relationships. What happens is that then you tend to not not put yourself,
first, but
first.
that's not because of relationship. It's because we kind of think that's the way to be a woman.
Yeah, of
You
course.
have to be
So,
a giver.
yeah,
It's a
always.
wrong programming of a woman that we all have
Absolutely.
somewhere. Somewhere it kicks in, and we have to. But now it took me long, but like now, some many years, uh, I realized that putting yourself first
Yeah,
is just like the best thing that you can do for yourself.
absolutely.
You are happy, you're content, you're able, you can love people better. It's everything around you is in balance, and it's also very tough because you're so used to just doing things for
Yeah,
people and giving, giving,
yeah,
giving. To just start giving to yourself, it sometimes makes you feel, are you selfish?
yeah.
Are you a selfish person? But there is a big difference between being selfish and giving to yourself. And this is the time, this lockdown, I think every single human being is learning self-care in
Yes,
today's time.
yeah.
But this is what we need to program our children.
Yeah, and especially I think the women, you're
Women.
absolutely right. Where
Women,
no
women.
matter how progressive we are,
Yeah.
in our homes, we will still be the ones to do everything and to say, I'll take care of it. It's okay. I'll do it.
So for another person's, imagination, I could be Bipasha Basu. Oh, glamorous and all. But
Yeah,
right from my peak of work, when I was like doing every possible film, 365 days work, performances, I would come home, wash dishes, set food, serve food.
right.
I've done all of it. So
Yeah, so I think, but it's tough, as you said. I think the programming is such that you have to really force yourself to put yourself first. So
absolutely.
I'm glad, but it came to you over a period of time. You read a lot, you talked to a lot of people. How did that whole idea come to you over a period of time? How did you reprogram yourself actually?
The reprogramming, see, it's when you are unhappy,
Yeah,
it will kind of, at some point of time, you need to see it. You can't be living in denial of it. You need to accept it and understand what is wrong for you, what um, wrong choices you have made in life, and you have to clearly disconnect, figure, and move forward. So for me also, I had that phase, and I had to find myself again because I was pretty much lost, because I had pushed myself that way behind that I had to find myself in every possible way, whether it was in work, whether it was just the my friends had, like, because I would never give anyone time.
mm.
They were like all gone. So
Mm.
I had to, like, find my true friends,
Mm.
um, again, find my connection with my sisters, my family, and everything. I had kind of ignored everything in life. So rebuilding myself step by step. And people who really know you and love you, they never leave you
Yeah,
anyways.
yeah,
So yes, I have a very, very, I'm very lucky to have a very, very stable and supportive family system. And my friends are the same. 20 years back, whoever's been my friend is my friend till now.
right.
So I'm very blessed with that. So very soon I got a hang of it, what I need to be, and generally what I had lost, I regained it back, and I was back on track. And thank God for that. Things have been only like, I've been very, very smart, and I've been very what's the word? I can't put it in a word. It's just that I have I have chosen rightly for myself.